The couch stretch is a great exercise to work on quad and hip flexor mobility. To begin, you can use a wall or any surface such as this. Take your knee, bring it as close to the wall as you can. Bring the opposite leg out, tighten the core and the hips, and lean back until you feel a stretch to the front of the hip. You want to make sure that you are not arching the back, as shown here, but stabilizing the glutes and the core and moving as one unit back. This will help prevent back issues as well as get a better stretch to the hips. If you cannot get into this position, bring your knee farther away from the surface and repeat the same steps. This will make the stretch slightly easier for you. The next variation we'll look at is the lift off. In this position, you will go just slightly out of your in-range position and then actively try to lift the foot off the surface for 5 to 10 seconds. You may feel a cramp in the hamstring. If this happens, relax, shake it out, and try again. It will become easier as you practice. Make sure once again to keep your glutes and your core tight so you're not compensating, and continue the lift off at almost in range of motion. The last variation is a contract relax technique. For this purpose, I want you to get to your in range of motion and hold for 45 seconds. After the 45 seconds is up, I want to take your foot and push into the surface using your quads and hold that for 15 seconds. You should push maximally or about 85% at least. After that 15 seconds is up, relax the quads and try to lean back farther into the stretch. You should be able to go a little bit farther than last time. Keep repeating until you stop making gains in your range of motion.